Welcome to the craziest and most questionable exits you'll ever witness from a car meetup. From burnout attempts gone wrong to surprise curb jumps, from showing off to regretting it the most, we have it all here. These are the moments that make you laugh and scream, "Waff!" So get ready for some crazy moves, epic fails, on camera. Up first, we have a Dodge Hellcat, which tried to show off but managed to crash and flip a truck instead. But that Hellcat was truly sexy, though, right? 2. Nothing big happened. Just a few 100,000 down the drain by the daughter.
No! Oh my God! Oh shit!
3. This guy casually went for the car meet and took his exit. A peaceful day for him, you would think, but no, wait. The day ain't over yet. He not only exited the car meet, but also crashed into the trees nearby. Four. The Mustang was acting all alpha male until he saw the love of his life, Mrs. Caddy. And bro didn't even wait and went right in for a smooch. 5. 2 Mustangs exited the meet. One went away perfectly, and the other just crashed into the pole and tried to drive off, but realized he had a loose bumper and many more damages.
Did you get that?
Yeah. 6. A bike meetup and a car meetup together. Great, right? But not in this case. The biker pulled off a wheelie and succeeded. Now that struck the E55's ego, he came in guns blazing, tried a burnout, and guess what happened? He failed.
Oh!
7. This Corvette guy tried to drift, but ended up sliding on the road and crashing into a curb, scratching his car. Embarrassing, right? 8. While the guy before this ended up sliding, this one ended up going over the curb to the opposite lane. Let's just watch this in slow-mo as well, because I can't stop laughing at this. Nine, this guy just made a crazy exit from this supercar meet, but ended up crashing into the trees on the turns, and that repair is gonna cost him a lot. Now this one is even crazier. Unlike the rest of the guys who crashed their cars, this guy who tried to go out drifting ended up hitting people. And it does not stop there, because this guy didn't even care to stop, and look what had happened. Instead, he just left the scene. That 11. This last one was just pure show-off. And yeah, it also had an unskilled driver behind the wheel as well, who couldn't just hit the brakes before hitting the tree. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to comment down below which one made you scream, and also, while you are at it, make sure to subscribe to our channel as well.